In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a single note widget to the home screen on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, go to your home screen and then just hold down somewhere at free space at your home screen until icons start shaking, and it brings you to edit mode, where you can tap now at plus sign and then just scroll down until you find notes widget right here. Tap on it once and it moves you to that widget selector where you can go through different types of widget. Just find that note widget. Here is folder, there is note, and then just hold down and move your finger to place this widget on the home screen, and then you can just tap on done. It shows you up one single note now, and all you have to do to change that note is to hold down on that widget, then tap on edit widget, and from here you can select any other note from your Notes app and then just tap somewhere at free space. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.